Okay.
No, I like what it's doing here. It's got a turn signal to get over. The tow truck wasn't acknowledging us being there. But it is true in, what, half a mile, we're taking a right at the light. This is just an FSD thing. Like, it puts its turn signal in early. It's just letting people know it wants to get over. I guess that tow truck took us as that we wanted to get behind him or something. Or he might not have seen us at all. But FSD handled it perfectly. It slowed down appropriately. It avoided the tow truck coming into us. It freaks Mom out, though. You can hear that. So Tesla AI, whatever you can do, use my mom as your measure. Get her